Biwott, because he stood out and he was forthright and he stood by President Moi all the way. Secondly, Nicholas Biwott was a very hardworking Kenyan, and he did whatever he did with determination, passion, and excellence. It has been said here that he was minister in several ministries, and if you go to those ministries, you will find Nicholas Biwott's footprints. There are people who go to ministries and they come out without a record of anything that they did while they were there. Nicholas Biwott was different. And he serves as a great example to many of us in public service. The third issue I would want to say about Nicholas Biwott is he managed to do something which many of us have not succeeded in doing. He managed to run a public life, robust public life, but managed to keep his family away and secure and protected. That many of us have not achieved. I think we need a few lessons. Maybe we will privately visit Hani and she can tell us a few things, how to keep the family away from the hustle and bustle of politics. And lastly, let me also say that Nicholas Biwott was a successful person. He worked hard, he was determined, and he was not petty. For the family who are here, you had a wonderful father, and we wish you well. And we sincerely hope that his legacy will be something that you can carry into the future. Going big up car to Miu, and I'm sure Ngamwale big up car, including Esther and Rhoda and Rita and the entire family. Ko Arabi wa tinirani kisa is rating you. Ongen ole kibun yellow. Ago chitas, chito Arabi wa tini. Chito. Kiai ba isiet no. So telel serikali tabaramoi.
Naibu wa rais hapo William Ruto akiwa anaeleza jinsi alivyomjua aliyekuwa waziri Nicholas Biwott katika hafla ya mazishi yake. Imebidi tuondoke hapo kidogo kwa sababu